Welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple login interface on Flutter. So let's start. First of all, you will start up your Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, you create a Flutter project. To create a Flutter project, you move to the directory where you have your projects, and then write on your terminal. Let's go this way. You can open a new terminal. So I already created a project, but to create a project, you type Flutter create, then the project name. So I already have a project. I wouldn't go ahead to create that. So in your folder, you create a new file. In my case, I will name it login.dat. So the first thing you have to do is to import your package, which is a Flutter material app. Material.dat. So the error here is showing that we've not used the import, so we'll proceed, we'll make use of it. So the next thing we have to do is to call our main method. We'll now say void main. Let's remove this. Run app. Then we name our method const login. This will be the class we will create later on. So now say class, then the class name is login. So we've referenced the run app login, so it extends stateless widgets. So we call login const super dot key. Then you call an override on the widget build. Don't forget to suppress this, and then your widgets. Everything in Flutter are widgets, almost everything. So here is where your widgets will be in. So in here we will return a material app. then suppress it. Right. Then call the home scaffold. So on the scaffold, we can call the theme that in the material app we can call the theme, then give it a theme data, and then let's use a primary swatch of colors blue. So the scaffold will show whatever that we put in our interface. So let's give our app a background color, maybe a background color of colors blue tint. Blue accent, so and then let's color app bar. Up here, sorry. We could have created a variable which is our title. We can call it, you can see, static final title, which is equal to login. Alright, so that in our app bar, title can take the value of text, title. So alright, let's proceed. So the next thing we need is the body of the app. So the header of the app bar and enter into the scaffold, and then you call body. Then we want the body of our application to be centralized, so we call the center widget. Give it an elevation, sorry, call a child, and then let's use a card as the child, and then the card has an elevation equals 3. Sorry, give it a color. Colors dot maybe gray. Our color is the white, and then we can easily change it. Yeah, better. Then give it a shape. Rounded rectangle border radius, then border radius dot circular. Can give it a border radius of 20. Call the child of a card, and then we use a size box. In the size box, we give it a width and a height. Let's say width 300. Height maybe 320. We would want everything to be vertically oriented, so we call a column. And then the main axis alignment should be main axis center. With children, then the children, which are the components, will be inserted here. So the first child will build will be the test field, or we call it the username. So let's say find our username, which is equal to a container. The margin const edges insert from left to right. Left is 20. Test field. With the label test. So next we'll create is the password. sorry, 20, create a child, which is a test field. So finally we create a button. We call it login button. Let's give it a width of 240 pixels. Then call the child an elevated button. On press. For now, we do not intend to make use of the on press action, but you have to specify the method braces. So let's proceed. So you have to specify a child too. So the child would be a text. Let's call it login. You can put some other design like test align or center. You can also put a style where you can style the text style, font size. Let's give it a font size of 18. So now you are done with a simple login. What we have to do is call these variables up here, the username and then the rest. For all these, you enter const and the error is gone. So first off, call the username, call the password, call the login button, and then let's test our app. So for us to test, you can say Flutter, Flutter run .lib / login.dat. So now we have a simple login app. So for us to make it to look better, we have to work on the app. So let's just keep it here and then implement some decorations on it. So first off, we work on the username. First of all, let's work on the username. So for you to work on it, you put a decoration. You go into the text field and then you call decoration and then call the impute decoration. Let's put Isabel text. Can't call it username. Sorry. A hint test. Can still call it username. Then let's put a border. Call it an outline border. Then let's refresh and see what we've done. Click R to refresh. If it doesn't come, you click Shift R. So this is what we've gotten, which is so beautiful. Then we'll go to password. For us to make the password, for us to create a password field, so in our text field, we have to specify that it's a password by obscuring the text in it. So we say obscure text is a boolean, so you can say true or false. So in our case we say true. So you can refresh and see, which means when you write you won't see what's in there. So we also implement the border outline. Okay, here you see the difference between the label and the label text and then the hint text. So first of all, you click our decoration and then impute decoration. You see our label text is password. Then our hint text asterisks. Then we can put the border and use the same outline impute border and see how it works. You see, so our hint text is the asterisk and our label text is the password. So let's decorate the button. On the button, we have to call a style in it. put color style in it. You just in the elevated button, can call it style. Then you call an elevated button dot style form. So in the style form, that's where you have to specify everything you want. So you can change the color, change the direction, and save everything. You can save the background color, maybe from here RGB. This is transparent, so I want it to be transparent. Let's just put any detail here, maybe 7, 2, 3, 5. Alright, let's make it a constant. So put an elevation of 15. Create the shape. Well, let's put the shadow color. Colors dots. View accent. Then a shape of rounded rectangular border. Border radius. Border radius dot circular. So we can refresh, and this is our button. So you can give it a fixed size height if you don't like how slim it is. So in here you say fixed size from height. Can give it the height of 38. Declare const, and then you refresh. So now you have a beautiful, simple login page. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and maybe you've learned one or two things on how to design a very simple interface. Do well to subscribe to my channel and look out for other videos. Thank you for watching.